Bonjour and good morning from Paris, France. I'm Grace on tour and I love to showcase the beautiful world that we live in. And in this video, I will be bringing you around Paris. But before we head out there, remember to like this video and subscribe. There are new travel videos every week and I really appreciate your support. But for now, let's explore Paris. This morning we have made it out bright and early. It is a Saturday. And we have walked from Saint-Germain to over the Pont-Louis Bridge, I believe, or one of the many bridges in Paris over the Seine, and to the Louvre. This is one part of the Louvre, and we're heading to breakfast. But as you can see, it is very quiet. So one of my biggest tips is to head out early because you'll have a lot of the sights all to yourself. So yeah, but now let's head to breakfast. Okay, so we have now made it to our breakfast place, which is a cafe called Cloud Cakes, and it's a fully vegan cafe, and we are having some very traditional French treats to go with our breakfast. So here they actually have vegan croissants and macarons, which is quite rare to find and hard to find. So I'm excited about this. So let's try it. It's very fluffy and looks nice. So let's try the croissant. Yeah, very nice. Also, we will try the macaron. This is my mom's favorite, so I will just take a little piece of it. But yeah, we have it here, and it's the passion fruit and chocolate flavor. Very nice. So this is actually quite an interesting time to be in Paris because for the past few years there have been some strikes going on, and especially for workers collecting the waste. So there is a lot of waste on the streets everywhere, which is not a usual sight of Paris. But we've seen that today they've started to clear the streets again. So yeah, that is nice. But I've never seen Paris with this much garbage everywhere. After that delicious breakfast, we have made it to the Montmartre area, and specifically the Sacré-Cœur. Here it's one of the most famous churches in the city, which has a great lookout over the whole of Paris. And a lot of people sit on the stairs here and admire the views over the city. And today it's sunshine, so it's really nice. Really great spot. Have now made it to the Colonne de Buren, which is this really nice place where you can see all of the stripy platforms. Loads of people taking pictures and just hanging out here. Really, really nice and beautiful area. We are actually now walking down the Champs-Élysées, which is one of the biggest and most famous streets of Paris, and it actually consists of three Arc de Triomphe. So there's the old one, there's the new one, and then you have the main one, which is in the middle. We have walked up the whole of the Champs-Élysées, and we are now by the Arc de Triomphe, and you can actually walk to the top, right now it's a huge queue, so I won't be doing it today, but I will link to my old Paris video where I did it, so you can see the view from above. That's also a really nice thing to do, and you get a great view over the Champs-Élysées and the city. So yeah, that's just a little tip for you. So we have now crossed the Seine, and we have made it to the Eiffel Tower, as you can see behind me. And we have a little dinner snack, a French baguette. And as you can see behind me, the sun is now setting over the Eiffel Tower. So yeah, let's dig into some baguette. so it is about an hour and a half later, and as you can see, the sun has set and it's now dark, and the Eiffel Tower has lit up. So yeah, we've just been hanging out in the park here, and yeah, it's been really nice. And also in about 30 minutes it will start to sparkle, because every night on the hour the Eiffel Tower sparkles for a few minutes, so we'll also stay to watch that. Good morning. So it is the next day, and we have actually made it to the Emily in Paris house, which you can see behind me here. So if you are a person who's watched the series or is a fan of the series, you will recognize this place, but it's also the restaurant of Gabriel that you can find also in the series. So yeah, really cool to see it live in person. Okay, so we have now made it to the Luxembourg Gardens, and this is a really nice park, and as you can see behind me, you have a view over the Eiffel Tower and also yeah, the beautiful building. And yeah, there's loads of seats in this park, so also in summer it's nice to come and have a picnic and just relax. But yeah, we have brought our lunch today, so yeah, we'll just enjoy the park for a little while.